Hello, new vocab sheet today, time concept signs or calendar concept signs. So I'm going to do the whole sheet, even though in class I've kind of broken it down into small sections. So you'll just need to kind of fast forward the video to where you need to practice or to where you need to get caught up. So first, sign past. It's going to take a flat hand and you're going to go back behind your shoulder, your dominant shoulder. The farther back in time, the farther back your arm will go. Yesterday, take your Y hand, pull it in a backwards direction. Yesterday. The next one, future. This direction, we're going forward. Again, the same concept with past. The farther in the future we're talking, the farther that your arm will throw. Underneath that, note that you can also use that sign for will, shall, or would. Typically, that sign is signed with a short double motion. Okay, the next one, tomorrow. We talked about this one when we learned see you tomorrow, when we learned our phrases. So that one should be hopefully review for you. If not, make sure you know that. The next one, midnight. So when class, we talked about now we know all the time, different times of the day. Think about the sun, morning, noon, afternoon, night, midnight. The next one, the sign for today. It has a double motion or bounce with Y hands, today. Next to it, now. It typically has a singular motion. A lot of times facial expressions are used with that sign because it's a command. Now. Okay, I need that done now. Next one, the sign for day. Day. Notice that I'm using the number 1 hand shape. I can change the amount of days by changing or incorporating a different number hand shape. This is what's called rule of 9. Remember, we talked about that in class. The next one, tonight. The next one, next week. You're basically combining the sign for future and the sign for week into one sign, next week. Next month, future month, kind of combining the two, next month. Next year, combine the signs for year and future, next year. Last week, same concept, combine the sign for past and week and put them together to make a simpler sign. Last month, last year. Some signers will throw up the finger in this past location area, and kind of wiggle the number hand shape to also indicate how many years have passed. Next, every day, rub the knuckles against the side of the cheek, every day or daily. Every week, repeat the sign. Every month, repeat the sign. Any day can be an every day. You're just going to take the letter that the day of the week starts with, for example, M for Monday, and pull it down in your signing space. So every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Thursday, every Friday, every Saturday, and every Sunday. All day, all day, all day. All night or overnight, I'm coming underneath. Hopefully by now you've realized this is my horizon. Anything up here is day. Anything down here is the nighttime. Next, the sign for once. It's like you're striking a match. Pull it in towards you once, twice, and then you can add a year, a month, a week signs after it to help show duration. Okay. Next section, beginnings and endings. Start, finish, When you sign finish, your mouth should mouth the word fish. It's called a mouth morpheme or facial grammar. Okay. Late. Not yet, haven't, same sign. Stick your tongue out. It's a change on the non-manual signal. Another or other. Again, that's start, finish, late, not yet, another.